Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 204 Maple Road here in Longmeadow, Massachusetts.
Come check out this fantastic 4-bedroom New England style cave. Let's go take a look.
This picture-perfect home checks all the boxes off your list. Updated eating kitchen, plenty of natural light, gleaming hardwood floors, an open floor plan, and a finished basement.
I love the flow of this property with an office on the main level and a full bath. To the second floor where we find a charming master and 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath.
With an open concept living room, fireplace, and formal dining room, you'll have plenty of space to entertain all your guests.
Out back you'll find a fenced-in backyard with deck and patio, lots of privacy, and a 1-car garage.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 204 Maple Road here in Longmeadow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at Revithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
204.
You go. Sorry, gotta start that over. Got a little excited. Happy enough?
Good. Yeah, you gotta do that again.
Every blooper is gonna have me adjusting your undershirt. Out back, you'll find a fenced-in backyard. Did it again. Back to business.
We're back.